Hey guys, I got up early. There's one antenna that I've had for a while that I haven't used yet, and that is the JPC-350. And I want to put this thing up and see what it will do. Now, this antenna is supposedly the portable, coil type antenna for the 80 meter band. So I figured, you know what, I will try something. I'm coming out here with 5 watts QRP. Now, it's early morning, and I'll see if I can make a 5 watt QRP contact on the 80 meter band. I'm here in, this is North Landing, the North Shore of Virginia Beach. That's the Chesapeake Bay, which goes around to the Atlantic Ocean behind me here. Let's get this thing up and see if we can make a contact on 80 meters with 5 watts QRP with a very, I would say, compromised antenna. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Okay, here's the setup. Got my Zygo X6200, and so 5 watts QRP. Yeah, crazy. Did bring my little band chart there because I'm gonna see if anybody's on 60, and I can never remember the frequencies for the channels on 60s. I tuned this thing with my rig expert. I put it on the mark for the 80 meter band, and it was 1.07 to 1, so spot on. Let me show you some features of this thing. This is the antenna, something that's a little different than the other JPCs, like the JPC-12. The base looks the same, as you can see there, JPC-350. These counterpoise wires are about 10 meters long each, or as many as you want. It's the ribbon wire. I haven't had much success with this with my others, but this is some long ribbon wire. I only split it in thirds because I'm here on the beach and people are still going to be walking. And then a little while it's going to be crazy, but about 10 meters out, kind of in a 3 ways there. That one right at the edge of the water. But this is the antenna with the telescopic whip. One other thing, I'll get back there and show you. There it is, the longer, much longer. I think that might be 17 meters. I'll have to look, I'm not sure. But the difference too in this is the bigger coil. This coil is bigger. And as you can see there on the bottom is the mark for the 80 meter band. There's marks for 20 and maybe 10, I don't know. Maybe that's 40 and 20. We'll find out by using it. Let's go get on the air and see if we can make a crazy QRP contact on the low bands with a JPC 350 antenna. We interrupt this video because I made a mistake building that antenna. Some of you may have seen that mistake as I was filming it. I put the feed point upside down. It was installed upside down. And then I tuned the antenna. I'm going to operate with the antenna, and it worked just great. So with that said, there's a lesson that I accidentally stumbled across, kind of new. So a quarter wave vertical, which is what this thing's trying to emulate on each band, a quarter wave vertical is basically a dipole. The counterpoise system below is a mirror. So in a dipole, when you have the two halves, it doesn't matter whether the positive or negatives on it, it's alternating back and forth. That's kind of the same principle in theory that a quarter wave vertical is. And as you'll see here in just a second, with the positive now down to the ground and the outer coax negative to the vertical, it operated just as well. As a matter of fact, I made some amazing contacts. Watch this.
Yeah, let's see. Was it Kilo 4 Oscar Golf? Is that correct, or is it Oscar Golf Oscar? Over.
It's Oscar Golf Oscar. Thanks. Like I said, thanks for taking the call. I'm 5 watts QRP on the beach here in Virginia Beach, so it's amazing I'm getting in there to you. If you don't mind, I get your call and location just so I can get you on my log.
Holy cow. Yeah, okay, you came way up that time, and I believe this is Walt. And I think I've seen your YouTube videos before. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. Good morning. My call sign is Whiskey 4 Uniform Sierra. W4US, and you're coming into Greensboro, North Carolina on 5 watts, and I think you said you're on Virginia Beach. But good copy here, Walt. You just came way up, and if you want to jot down the other call signs in the group, you've got Echo Zulu Romeo, and also Whiskey 4 Romeo Charlie Foxtrot. And let's see, who else we got in here? WB4 Fox Charlie Uniform is Larry. And then Mike, remind me your call, Mike. ABJ. AB4 Charlie Hotel.
Hey, well, great. You guys are all solid signal. That's why I kind of figured I'd cut in here and see if I could break in with you guys, because you guys are all 5'9", sounding really good here at the beach. I've just got a vertical with a coil sitting on the north end of the beach, right on the Chesapeake Bay, 5 watts with a little Xiegu X6200 running on the internal battery. This is absolutely the first time I've made a 5-watt contact on 80 meters. So, man, I appreciate it from you guys so much.
Wow. Yeah, good morning, Mark. And Walt, I copied all that. 5 watts on the Xiegu X6200 on a little tiny vertical and a coil on the beach. That's impressive. You're making it here to Greensboro just fine.
There are epic QSOs that you make, and you never forget. That one will be one. 5 watts, baby. 5 watts QRP, 80 meters to Greensboro, North Carolina. That's epic for me. It really is. Hey, I love this antenna. First QSO on it was a good one. Let's go see if we can do something on 60. I don't know if anyone will be on 60 meters, but let's give it a try. Good morning, 60 meters. This is Kilo 4 Oscar, Golf Oscar, standing by and listening for any calls. Well, as you can see, I've been through pretty much all the channels on 60s. There's just no one here. It really is not on SSB. Let's go to 40 meters. Let's check out the 40 meter band. Okay, tuned really well on 40. Great SWR, works well. 40 meters right now is wall-to-wall nets with just people rag chewing and doing dumb things like that. I'm done with it. I cannot stand to be out on the beach and not be on my favorite band, the 20 meter band in the morning, trying to work some DX. I'm going to go see if I can do that. Yeah, I've had enough 40 meters. Like I said, it's a band for rag chewing and having fun in the early mornings. A lot of what you call the rooster net and the good morning net. I've heard a lot of different nets this morning, and getting stepped on, trying to check in. Look, it worked on 40. Let's go check out the 20 meter band.
Kilowatt 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. Kilowatt 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. QR3. This is Victor Kilo 3 Bravo America Bravo. VK3 Bravo America Bravo.
QSL, VK3 BAB. This is K4 OGO. You're 5'9" on the beach here in Virginia on the Atlantic. I'm 5 watts QRP.
K4 Oscar George Oscar VK3 Bravo. Thank you for the 5 and 9. You're readable about 3 and strength 1, okay?
Roger. Thank you so much for this amazing contact. Have a wonderful evening there, my friend. 73.
This is Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. Yeah, you're 5 and 5, over.
Roger. You're 5'8" here on the beach. I'm just 5 watts portable. Thank you so much for this amazing contact there. I greatly appreciate it. VK2 WWV K4 OGO. Back to you. What a fun morning. Wow. Well, all I can say is, I like this antenna a lot. I was originally going to say I hated the counterpoise system with the ribbon wires until I pulled them out and saw how long they were. And I'm like, hey, you know what? Pretty long. We'll give it a shot. And only splice them into 3s. That's a pretty darn good result there. Yeah, freaking cool day. Really fun. The 80 meter contact, the 5 watt QRP contacts to Australia. Cool antenna, really cool antenna, and I'm enjoying it. So definitely will get out. And this thing could take some power too. It doesn't have to be it's not really a QRP antenna. Get out here with 100 watts and probably just have a blast with it, which I will eventually do for sure. But there you go, the JPC-350. I've had it for a while. It's been sitting around and just really wanted to see what it would do. Now, I'm camping right now. I'm in a campground, like right on the other side of that dune there is my camper. It's a kind of nice little wooded area. I'm gonna go back and have a second cup of coffee and relax. So there will be no food trekking here at the beach today. We kind of call these staycations, my wife and I. We just like to relax. I'm literally 12 miles from the house here and over here at the park. Relax, sit around, listen to the radio, and have a couple drinks and enjoy a campfire at night. So that's what it's like, just kind of unwinding on vacation. But definitely wanted to get out here and play a little radio here. This is this morning it's a weekday morning now. The weekend's over with, and I've got the beach. If this was Saturday or Sunday, I wouldn't be making this video sitting here with the beach this empty. So really enjoying it and having a good time. We're gonna go back and I don't know, grill something, have a little bit more fun, and enjoy the camping trip, which will be over with soon. And we'll head back, pack it up, and head home. That long trek of about 25 minutes to get home. But anyway, there you go. Cool antenna. I will put a link below. I've seen a few of them. Some of them are pricey, I know, and some of them are cheap. I got mine on AliExpress. I'll try to find the original link that I got this one on and put it on there. But look, just look for it. I'm sure it's the same antenna everywhere, but fun antenna, and it worked very well. Anyway, if you like these type of videos, this is what I like to do: get out and operate portable, cut wire, make my own antennas, play with other people's antennas. My new motto is leave no antenna behind. Just play around and have a good time. If you're into that, please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.